What if all animals disappeared? It sounds like the beginning of a sad fairy tale. No cats, no dogs, no birds chirping outside your window. Some might even think, well, good. Fewer mosquitoes, more happiness. But no, this isn't a fairy tale. It's a nightmare, a global one. Because if all animals vanished, from elephants to microscopic mice, the planet would fall into self-destruction mode. And it would all begin with silence. Complete, eerie silence. No buzzing bees, no barking dogs, no cockroaches that always outlive nuclear winters. The world would freeze for a moment and then start to die. The first thing we'd feel is hunger. Food would disappear quickly. Not because cows stop giving milk, they're gone, but because plants would begin to die out. 90% of all plants on Earth are pollinated by insects. No bees means no harvest. Within a few years, only the crops pollinated by the wind or sheer desperation would remain. Bread, maybe? Apples? But strawberries? Cucumbers? Forget it. Then would come ecological collapse. Predators gone, herbivores gone, parasites gone. Sounds like a celebration? Sadly, no. Soil, maintained by worms, ants, and bacteria, would stop regenerating. Forests would freeze. Without animals to spread seeds, plants would lose their ability to travel. Without birds, insects would mutate into something unimaginable. Oh, wait, no insects either. So everything simply withers, literally. Humanity would begin dying from the edges. In poor regions where animals mean food, transport, warmth, and fertilizer, famine would strike. Mass famine. Millions would lose their means of survival. And yes, we'd try to grow something in labs, to create artificial meat, to hand pollinate, to build robots. But on a planetary scale, that's like treating a broken bone with a band-aid. Then comes the real problem: psychology. Humans have always lived with animals. Domestic, wild, dangerous, adorable. They were part of our culture, our evolution, our soul. And now they'd be gone. No more cot pictures, no more, so cute. Not even a fish in a tank glaring at you from TikTok. The world would become dead. Not in the sense of radiation or zombies, but because the very idea of living diversity would vanish. There would only be humans left, alone with our cities, our machines, and the eternal echo in the forests, where no one answers back anymore. And then, slowly, we would disappear too. Not from war, not from a meteor, but simply because we lost those who kept the world in balance. So if one day you meet a cat on the street, say thank you, and pour it some milk while there's still milk left.